What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. Today we're going to learn how to do vertigo shots with the Moza Mini-MI. Right, I'm here with my two friends, Gabo and Brian B. Static. We just did some really cool vertigo shots, and there are two methods to the vertigo shot situation with the Moza Mini-MI. Method number one is just to simply use the scrolling wheel to zoom in while you're moving backwards or move forward while you're zooming out. That's one of the easiest, simple methods, and you can do this just by simply scrolling with the scrolling wheel. This method works really well, but at times you might notice a little bit of a clicky situation. On iOS, if you press the button at the bottom of the wheel, it'll automatically zoom in or zoom out, giving you kind of like an automated mode for you to just move in forward or backwards while the phone is doing the zoom by itself. Right, so on top of that, I went ahead and triple clicked the top of the wheel and entered Inception Mode. So I didn't know if it was possible, but it is. You can do Inception Mode simultaneously while doing vertigo. So if you're rotating, you can have it zoom in, move backwards, and create some really cool transitions, really cool shots. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Until next time.
I say I'm sick of all these games, but in the end, you know, I'll stay, 'cause I'm not ready.